Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to see what's happening in your WooCommerce store behind the scenes? In this video, I'll show you how to monitor activity and view logs for free. First, for a quick overview of store activity, go to WooCommerce Status. The System Status tab shows your store's health, like your WordPress and WooCommerce versions. Click on the Logs tab. Here you'll find log files for important events like payment gateway communication, API calls, and fatal errors. Select a log file from the drop-down and click View. This lets you see detailed messages to debug issues, like a failed payment. For ordering customer activity, go to WooCommerce Orders. Every status change, note, or email sent is recorded on the individual order page. To see all recent activity in one place, consider a free plugin like the For Activity Log or Simple History. These plugins log user logins, product edits, and setting changes. Installing one gives you a searchable dashboard to monitor every change made on your store, which is great for security and troubleshooting. And that's it. Between built-in WooCommerce logs and a free activity plugin, you can keep a close eye on your store's health and security. If you check your logs, let me know what you use them for in the comments. See you in the next one.